everyone, I'm Carmen with Centric, here to bring you another week of Live Better tips. Your credit score is like your school grade for finances. In order to have a good score, you have to know what determines it. Here are 3 of the major things that factor in. Installment debt. This is any debt that has a set monthly payment amount and schedule. You can easily establish this with a car loan, mortgage, or a personal loan. Revolving debt. This is any debt that is considered an open line of credit, which allows you to repeatedly borrow and pay back with a set limit. This can be established most commonly with a credit card, but also with a HELOC. History. What you have done in the past plays a part in what your credit score is today. For example, applying for loans, maxing out credit cards, and making late payments. If you want to know what your credit score and history is, schedule a free financial wellness checkup with one of Centric's certified credit union financial counselors. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.